Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will compare Tesla Model 3 vs Mustang GT, which is better. Follow along as I guide you through range, performance, cost, and real-world usability. Listen closely for key trade-offs. I keep this clear and friendly so you can pick the best match for commuting, weekend drives, or performance thrills without getting lost in jargon. Range and efficiency matter more than raw power for many drivers, so we break down real-world miles per charge versus miles per tank. I explain charging logistics, time at stations, and how that shapes trip planning and ownership stress. This section helps you evaluate costs and convenience for daily commuting, longer road trips, and the time trade-offs that often decide purchases. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like. It really supports the channel. Quick recommendation. I love these leak-proof meal prep containers because they save time after long test drive days and keep snacks tidy. Check the description for the link and other deals to grab a set for yourself. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. Performance and ownership feel different between electric and muscle cars, so I describe acceleration, handling, and everyday drivability in simple terms. We compare likely maintenance tasks, insurance implications, and resale expectations to show total ownership picture. This helps you weigh immediate excitement against long-term practicality when choosing between a sportier engine or an efficient electric drivetrain.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.